JavaScript is single-threaded, high-level, interpreted, dynamically typed, versatile, and very popular programming language out there. With the help of JavaScript, you can build dynamic web application, single-page application using tools like React, Angular, Vue, mobile application using tools like React Native, browser-based games, server-side application using Node.js, desktop application using Electron.js, even machine learning model using tools like TensorFlow.js, and a lot more. And now if your reaction is like this man and you decided to learn JavaScript, welcome you all to our JavaScript short video series. Throughout this series, we'll try to learn things in a very quick, engaging, and easy to understand manner. Now every programming language has its own happy easy part and real conceptual hard part. Throughout this series, we'll start learning from the very basic till advanced level. Now how you will write your first JavaScript code. For writing first JavaScript code, you need an JavaScript file ending with .js extensions. You also need an text editor. I'll recommend here using VS Code. If you don't have VS Code installed in your machine, you can download it always from code.visualstudio.com. Now let's see this in live. So here I am in my VS Code and let's create a new file called index.html. And let's add the boilerplate code here. Once you add the boilerplate code, at the end of the body tag you can write one script, and inside this script you can write your all JavaScript code and run it in your browser. If you want to create a separate JavaScript file, you can do that also. So let's create a separate JS file called index.js. Now let's link this index.js with this index.html using src tag, and let's keep the path here index.js. Now once you have done this, you can write any JavaScript code inside index.js. So let me add one simple JavaScript, that is console.log hello Masai. And let's go to index.html and open this file in live server. Now once you are here in the browser, let's inspect this and open console, and you can see that hello Masai is printed there. Now if you are able to see this too, that means you run your first JavaScript line, so congratulations for this. Now that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.